Look, I could soothe you by trying to be funny or cute, but who's got time for that? You are either broke or living from paycheck to paycheck. So let's just skip the formalities and get to the point. You can't stay broke or continue to live with disappointment forever. Sooner or later, something's got to give. You've been knocked down by the economy and pinned down by your account balance. So when do you plan to get off the mat? How about right now? If you're going to turn your life around, you need a few things. A clear path to get out of where you are, a way to get in without breaking the bank, and the courage to go get what you want. We've got the first two locked up, but the last one is all on you. I'm about to make a true statement backed by real numbers. If you're a skeptic, you won't believe me anyway, so I won't bother trying to convince you of what I'm saying. With a startup cost of $25 and a little effort, you can be earning more than $12,000 per month, every month, in 8 weeks. That's it. There's a plan, a blueprint that shows you how that level of success is a mathematical certainty. Forget hype. If you're too skeptical to take the next step and check this out for yourself, there's no room for you on our team anyway, so thanks for your time. If you're serious, then listen very closely. This is a real business, and if you want to see results, you're going to have to focus. No more staring at your inbox waiting to see the next big empty promise spammed at you. The Power of 4 system will require your full attention. It's simple to follow, but you can't be distracted. Most of what people try doesn't work because they don't actually try. Oh, they join, but never really try. We're building a team of people who can shake the world and destroy the cycle of poverty crippling this planet. And if all you plan to do is join without working, you should probably take that $25 and get yourself a bucket of chicken or something. This might sound aggressive, but so what? Isn't it time somebody stepped up and said what needed to be said? People working with us are making money, period. The days of playing Mr. Nice Guy are over. It's time to take your future into your own hands and put this economy into a chokehold until it pays you exactly what you deserve. So, are you in or are you out? If you're in, fill out the form below and experience the Power of 4 system. If you're out, good luck.